Hey guys, Connor Brown at Heritage Ford back with you this week with a video on this 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. Guys, the SLT trim level is a pretty loaded up trim level. This truck has a lot of options on it. I just want to give you a quick vehicle walk around, then I'm going to hop inside, go over a few of the features with you, and then we're going to take this thing for a spin. Got your backup camera right here. Your bed liner's in here. We'll show you the back seat really quick. Pretty spacious for what it is. High quality leather seats. You got a couple of charging ports back here for you know, your iPads, if the kids have iPads, anything like that. Let's hop in here, guys. Okay. Get the keys out. Alrighty guys, so first thing first, you got this high quality steering wheel, leather wrapped. You got your hands-free display, all your capabilities here, all your hands-free display, and your cruise controls here. You have your power locks, power windows, and you also have a child-proof button here, and then you have a window lock button, which is pretty cool. I thought it was really cool that they added the child-proof button in here, but then you have your technology package here, and then your radio and your climate display. You have leather heated front power seats too, so you have heated seats both in the front, your traction control, you have cab lights that are on the top, and then you have your trailer control there. So alright guys, I'm going to buckle up here because safety first, and then we're going to take this thing for a spin. Alrighty. Guys, as far as fuel economy on this thing, you're going to be looking at about 24 highway and about 17 city on a 21-gallon tank. So pretty large tank there. I believe when this thing's filled up, it has about 500 miles to empty, so it's pretty awesome. Give or take, you will get better gas mileage if you use the cruise control, but really it's just hit or miss on how you drive particularly, but you're going to be averaging anywhere from, like I said, around 24 highway, 17 city, and then in between there. So, but you never know, you could get better, could get worse. Yeah guys, we are with this particular model here, we're offered a 3.6 V6 with 4-wheel drive capabilities. You're looking at about 305 horsepower and about 269 feet-pound of torque, with a 3,500 pound towing capacity. So you know, you want to throw on some jet skis or ATVs or anything like that, this thing will rip it right down the road. And also, this vehicle is would be really nice. I would recommend it for somebody who is possibly going from a mid-size SUV, not really sure if they're wanting to get into a full-size truck yet, but this is kind of a good little crossover if you were to look at this. It's not quite as big as a full-size truck, but it's still plenty big. Pretty big bed in the back, and decently good sized back seat for you to put, you know, really anything you needed back there. But it's just a little step up, I'd say, from a mid-size SUV just to make the next step into a full-size truck. But this thing cruises great, feels great with steering. You know, just cruising here. It's a comfortable ride. The seats are comfortable. They hug you. So yeah, really comfortable ride. But for the performance side of things, we're gonna see what this baby's got. Like I said, 305 horsepower, 269 feet-pound of torque. It looks like we got an open road, ready to put the pedal to the metal. Okay, so this truck actually has quite a bit of pickup, and I'm a little surprised. I wasn't expecting it to have that much, but yeah, it's actually really nice in comparison to like a full-size F-150 or a Chevy 1500. Yeah, this thing's got a decent amount of pickup compared to those, so Not as much, but it's pretty close, really. Don't knock them. Drive them first. Yeah, like I said, man, this handle's really nice. Feels really even. No pull either way. So, nicely aligned vehicle here. Yeah, man, this truck's solid. Quality truck right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna hop out here, give you one more walk around. But like I said, guys, this is the 2016 GMC Canyon SLT with a 3.6 V6. This is just one of the very quality vehicles that we have on our lot here at Heritage Ford. My name is Connor Brown. Don't take my word for it. Come down and take a test drive yourself and see for yourself. Thank you. Have a great day.